Hi, this is Gunslinger 12, and that's Blake.
Hi.
And we're going to explain the different parts of a wave. As you can see right now, I am making a transverse wave. And what this is, the first thing that you'll notice is that there's a high and a low to a wave. The high part is called a crest, this part right here. And the low part is called a trough, this part right there. Hold on. That one. And the amplitude is measuring the distance from the point of origin, or the slinky when it isn't moving, to the crest or the trough of a wave. Blake, can you please tell me what wavelength is and how you measure it?
A wavelength is the distance between two crests or two troughs. And
So what do you think the wavelength of this is?
probably,
I'm guessing about a yard, maybe 2 feet.
yeah, probably that.
All right. Yep. Here is what wavelength is like. Now, what is a longitudinal wave, Blake?
A longitudinal wave is a wave that
It moves parallel to the point of origin, right? Like that.
yeah, like that. I didn't know how to start it.
That's okay. Well, you know now. And the most common longitudinal wave is a sound wave. Like, watch that. That's like an echo. It bounces right back. So, what is a transverse wave?
A transverse wave is what you're making right now.
It is a wave that moves perpendicular to the point of origin.
Yeah, perpendicular to the point of origin.
And examples of transverse waves are light waves, radio waves, and also heat waves. No, that's radiation. I'm sorry. But this is a transverse wave, and this is a longitudinal wave. A mechanical wave is a wave that needs matter to move through. Like, a sound wave can't move through space. It needs air to move through. But a radio wave can move through space and in air. It is an example of an electromagnetic wave. And a mechanical wave, like I said, needs matter to move through. So, Blake, could you tell me what the frequency of a wave is and how you calculate it?
A frequency, the wave's frequency is how many waves there are, like
In a certain amount of time?
yeah, a certain amount of time, and you measure it by counting how long, like how many waves you
Just count the waves.
Yeah.
So let's start this at 3:15 and go. We'll end this at 3:25. That was 28 waves. So that would be the frequency, which would be 28 waves per 10 seconds, or I don't know.
I think it's 2.8 waves per second.
So 2.8 hertz.
Yeah.
And a speed of a wave is taking the distance a wave is, and the distance the wave travels, and dividing it by the time it takes to travel there. So that would be the speed. And what is a wave and what does it do? A wave is a disturbance of any kind, and it transfers energy from one particle to another particle, like that or that. So the particle, pretend that there's a particle right here. If I move it up, it just goes right up and then right back to the point of origin, which is this piece of tape. Like I said, transverse wave, longitudinal wave. So Blake, any last comments?
No, not really.
This is Gunslinger 12 out.